What's going on, Mixed Nights? I am Nathan Mixon, your YouTube fitness coach, here with another workout video. Today we are going to do a crisscross jump. So I want you to incorporate that basic jump and also that alternating jump into this actual jump. So when you're doing the jump rope, maybe it's basic jump, and then cross. Or maybe it's alternate, then cross. Whatever it is, get your rhythm down. I'm gonna try to get my rhythm down because I've been jacking up all day today. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to it. Also, turn on your push notifications so you don't miss the next workout. And also, hit that like button. All right, so let's get started. So we're gonna start off with the walkouts.
Now with the walkout, what you wanna do is keep your feet about 6 to 12 inches apart, hands over your shoulders. Walk yourself out into a plank position, engage in the core the whole entire time. Make sure you keep your head in a neutral position. Looking good. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Next workout's gonna be the jumping jack. It's gonna help build up that cardio, build up that endurance, and help you lose weight and get the heart rate going. Now with that being said, wave your arms in the air as fast as you can. Engage in the core. Head in neutral position, chin down, looking over the horizon. Three, 2, 1, and relax. Skaters are next. This is gonna be really good for your IT band. So for those runners out there, never skip this workout. You're just gonna bounce from one leg to the other. Engage in the core. Looking where you're bouncing. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Push up jacks. This is going to be very intense for not only the chest, not only the core, the glutes, the legs, but your whole entire body. Keep your head in a neutral position. This is almost like a plyometric workout, so it's going to be a lot tougher than normal. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Super high knees. Super high knees is going to boost your cardio up. You want to get your knee as high as possible. I like to get mine past my waist. That's going to help engage the core. Also the lower body too as well, working on hip flexors too as well. The harder you pump your arms, the higher those legs are gonna go. So pump those arms hard. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good job.
All right, so that was the warm-up. Now we're gonna start these crisscross jumps. Come this way a little bit. We're gonna start this crisscross jumps. So grab your rope and let's get ready to go. Almost got hit by a car there.
Alright, so take a minute, do a couple jumps before you do your crisscross, or you can just crisscross the whole entire way. I'm going to take about 3 jumps and then crisscross into my actual workout. You have 10 seconds left. Looking good. Well, not right there. 3, 2, 1, and break. Shoulder press or pike push-ups. This is going to be great for your shoulders and also your core and also for your mental too as well. Let's go. Keep your back as flat as possible. It's better to keep your legs straight too as well, but if you have a slight bend, that's perfectly fine too. Having a strong chest will actually protect your shoulders, so this is a good superset for that. Break. Back to the crisscross jump, so pick your rope up. We're doing 3 basic jumps and then a crisscross. Let's go. Remember, keep your wrist as low as your hips. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, and break. Squat jumps. This is going to be great for your quads and also your glutes, but it's really going to attack your quads and also your cardio. So just be prepared for that. Sink the weight of your body right into your heels. This is going to help you keep your balance. 10 seconds left. Remember to look over the horizon. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Pick up your rope, back to the crisscross jumps. We're doing 3 basic jumps, then a crisscross. Remember, stay on the balls of your feet when you're doing these jumps. Engage the core the whole entire time. 10 seconds left. Try to relax throughout the jumps. Alright. 3, 2, 1, and break. Don't put that rope down. We still got work to do. We're going into the second set. 3, 2, 1, and break. Or actually go. Jump. Alright, so get your nice little rhythm and try to bounce with the beat. 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, and break. Back to the shoulder press. Let's get it going. 3, 2, 1. Let's work. This is also going to work the back. He just shows, of course, the biceps and the triceps. So if your arm's getting tired, you now know why. 3, 2, 1, and break. Back to the crisscross jumps. Let's jump. Nice and controlled jumps. Try not to bring your feet backwards. Try to bring your feet a little bit forward when you're jumping. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Last of the squat jumps. This is really gonna burn, so just be prepared for that. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bring your hands level with your chest and push yourself up into the air. Halfway there, keep on pushing. Remember to drop that weight into your heels of your feet. 3, 2, 1, and break. Crisscross jumps. Get ready to go. Let's jump. Getting that nice little rhythm going. Try to keep your body as relaxed as possible. And don't mess up like I do. 3, 2, 1, and break.
Alright, so you may have noticed I made a couple mistakes. That's perfectly fine. If you do, you'll pay for it with a whip, alright? Now with that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drink water if you need to. Let's get ready to get back into the jump ropes with the crisscross jump.
Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, and break. Alright, archer push-ups is next, okay? You're going to keep your hands pointed from the left to the right. Hey, arms in almost a double grip, almost like a double wide grip. Alright? One arm is going to be straight and you're going to lean right into that arm. This is going to be great for your outer chest and also singling out a chest too as well. The further you keep those arms apart, the harder it's going to be. 3, 2, 1, and break. Back to the crisscross jumps. Alright, let's get it. There you go. We gotta get that rhythm back in there. Looking good. 10 seconds left. You're already halfway through it. 3, 2, 1, and break. Kick sits. If you remember these workouts, if you have issues with the kick sit, remember there's a tutorial on it too as well. So make sure you check those out. But yeah, the kick sit's gonna be good for those hips, good for the shoulders. Remember to pivot that outside foot. Kick your leg out, keep it 6 inches from the ground. Engaging the core the whole entire time. Looking good. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Back to the crisscross jumps.
Nobody reads.
All right, 3 jumps and a cross. Let's go for it. Make sure you have nice controlled breathing throughout this. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Don't put the rope down. We're getting back into action. And watch your step too. Let's go. Halfway there. Three, 2, 1, and relax. Back to the archer push-ups. Your feet can be about 6 inches apart, or you can have them close together, whichever one you prefer. The closer you have your feet, let's start. The closer you have your feet, the harder it's going to be. So if you want to take away some weight, spread your feet out just a little bit further. Three, 2, 1, and relax. Back to the crisscross jumps. We're gonna get ready to start. 3, 2, 1, jump. Looking good. Hold what you got. 10 seconds left. It's all downhill from here. Maintain a good posture. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Kick sit. Keep your knees as close to the ground as possible when doing this workout. It's going to help intensify the workout, making it a little bit tougher. It's also going to keep your butt down low, which is very important because it's going to help you maintain a good posture when doing this workout. 3, 2, 1, good job. Crisscross jumps. This is for all the marbles. Let's knock it out. There you go. Keep it up. It's okay to make mistakes. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax.
Woo! That is it. I tried to do the finisher, but I literally can't see. I'm snotting all over the place. Eyes burning. I forgot to set my watch. Anyway, that's the workout. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you get it in. It's okay if you make mistakes. That's so perfectly fine. You'll do better the next time. My eyes are literally closed right now because I can't see where it is. So the camera could be here, there, but I hope it's in front of me. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.